Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove Lovable AI watermark icon on your project. In this walkthrough, we'll show you where to find the setting that controls the Lovable badge, sometimes referred to as the watermark icon, and what to expect when you try to turn it off. This is a quick process, but it helps to know exactly where the option lives in the interface so you can get to it without wasting time. To begin, open your sample project in Lovable. Once the project loads, make sure you're on the main project screen. This is the starting point for accessing the project level options you'll need. If your page is still loading, give it a moment before moving on so all navigation elements are visible. Next, go to the top left area of the screen and click the drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to additional project controls and administrative options. If you don't immediately see it, look carefully in the upper left corner of the interface, since that's where this menu is typically located. After opening the drop-down, click on Settings. This will take you into the project settings area, where Lovable groups together customization and configuration options for the current project. You'll want to stay within the project settings page for the next part. Once you're in settings, scroll down through the available options until you find the setting labeled Hide Lovable Badge. Depending on your screen size, this may be lower on the page, so scroll steadily and watch the labels carefully. The wording is important here, since this is the exact control tied to the visibility of the Lovable icon on your project. When you find Hide Lovable Badge, click the toggle button to turn it on. Enabling this setting is the action that removes the visible Lovable badge from the project. After clicking the toggle, it's a good idea to pause briefly and confirm whether the setting appears enabled, since visual indicators like the switch color or position usually show whether the change has been applied. One important note before you finish. Turning this option on requires a subscription. If your account does not have the required plan, you may see a prompt or restriction when trying to enable the setting. In that case, the option is still in the correct place, but access to it depends on your subscription level. And that's the full process for removing the Lovable AI watermark icon from your project. Follow these steps in order, and you'll be able to locate the setting quickly and understand any limitation if the toggle is unavailable.